Northwest China's Ningxia Hui Autonomous Region is known as the hometown of stars in China due to little light pollution. People can see the Milky Way in more than 300 days here each year. Besides, various landscapes such as deserts, mountains and the Yellow River, convenience of transportation and safety in the wild make Ningxia an ideal place for fans of starry sky and astronomy photographers. Many world-famous astronomy pictures were taken here.
我叫董书畅，是一名天文摄影爱好者，出生在星星的故乡宁夏。这里有黄河、沙海、山脉，光污染等级也低至3到4级，经常能够看到银河，并且交通便利，户外活动的安全性很高，是我非常理想的星空拍摄地之一。很多我满意的天文摄影作品都是在这里拍摄的。
Data shows that over 30,000 fans of starry sky and astronomy photographers come to Ningxia each year.
通过相机可以捕捉肉眼不可见的画面，记录宇宙的浩瀚与神奇。星空其实就在我们头顶，只是很多人在城市中生活，很难见到。我希望用美丽的星空摄影作品带大家重新认识这个美丽的世界。